Hello everybody, this is Lance the Hot Tub Wizard, and wanted to clarify, I guess, some rumors that I'm hearing already. Um, yes, our account did get shut down by Amazon. I'll show you in a minute, but also was heard that we're being sued and that we're out of business, which those are not true. But we'll first start with the Amazon issue. So got this email on the 12th of June. It says, hello, we're notifying you that working with or influencing customers to leave negative product reviews to damage or abuse a seller, their listings, or their ratings is a policy violation. This violation negatively impacts your account health. If left unaddressed, this may lead to account deactivation. And this is why this happened. All sellers on Amazon are expected to follow the Amazon selling policies, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, they wouldn't tell me what it was that I actually did, because I'm supposed to tell them, which makes no sense. But anyway, that's kind of what happened there. And the I guess it's kind of hard to defend yourself when you have no clue what their evidence is. But I've never asked anyone to leave a negative review on someone's listing. In fact, I don't even ask people to leave any reviews for my listings. But anyway, after contacting them a couple of times, it was basically going nowhere. And then as of the 16th, my Amazon account was deactivated. So they have all my disbursements and my inventory. So that's kind of a hard place to be. So now, what do we do? It's, well, it could be a blessing, but one thing, Amazon has all of our older inventory, all the new stuff that we made for our selling off of our store and our dealer stores is all the new and improved stuff, the improved plate material, improved warranty, 18 months instead of 1 year, and we hope to, well, actually we also were able to lower prices a little bit because we don't have the Amazon inflation to deal with, and we can actually offer better service. But one of the other things that was happening with Amazon, we were having people return stuff. In fact, we got an original A-cell returned in one of our bags. So they ordered ours and sent the original back as defective. So that's pretty classy. Anyway, we also had now the flood of cheap fakes. We've actually gotten cells back that are not ours. Looks a lot like it, and in fact, you can see this picture, and any of you that have seen our instructions, these are basically our instructions. And we also have, you can watch this video and see how blatant the copying is going on. So I don't even know if you can't even seem to get an original Scepter cell on Amazon anymore. In fact, I even also had a customer that said he went to order from his previous history and just buy again, and they sent him a unit that was not ours, and that's right here. So there's a lot of weird stuff going on, but we are still in business, and we're still helping not only our customers but also the Control-O-Matics customers. So we plan on being here, and we're fighting I think we're about the only U.S. Manufacturer of salt systems for hot tubs anymore. Uh, so if you want good products with good support, we're here to help. Okay, so here's the video it's a product video on an Amazon listing, and they're looking more and more like the Scepter. Each one that comes out, there's probably at least a dozen of them now. But this is actually, if this was 10 feet away from me, I probably couldn't tell you. But this is definitely not one of ours. But if you look at the instructions down here, there's the Scepter salt cell on the one side, and then when they flip it over, it says the Hot Tub Wizard. You'll see that here in a second. Anyway, as this is a fake. You cannot get a genuine Scepter cell on Amazon anymore. And there you go. You can see the Hot Tub Wizard. Anyway, it's out of control. So, I had a customer call and ask, what's the difference? Well, they look similar, but they're not the same. And the problem is, most of these will actually make chlorine, but they will not function properly on the ACE control panel. They're just throwing out salt cells. So yeah, anybody can make a salt cell, and with the little voltage, it'll generate chlorine from salt. But these are definitely fakes. So you want to get a genuine article, either go to hottubwizard.com, asaltcellreplacement.com, or a new store, which is the saltwater hottubstore.com. And then we also have our European and Australia, New Zealand distributors that you can get from too. Anyway, if you have any questions, just let us know, and we'll do what we can to answer them and help you out. Thanks a lot.